Hi guys, you have snapped a photo that's too dark, so don't delete it because in this video I will show you how to transform any underexposure image into a stunning masterpiece. How? Using these simple editing techniques. So let's begin the video. So this is the image I will edit dark image to light. Okay guys, the first step is get a polygonal lasso tool and make a selection like this. After the selection, then make a duplicate layer to press Ctrl plus J. Second step is go to the gradient tool and go to presets. Then select basics and you have choose this color, then press OK. You can select any of your area of image. You can light up in this way. Okay, the third step is go to blend options and change blend mode to screen. Then you can see the selection and after that press Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection. So guys, this is the last step is go to the filter and choose blur and select Gaussian blur. Then you can change radius amount as your image, then press OK. So I hope you learned something new today. So if you like this tutorial, thumbs up to this video and you can check my other tutorials too for helping to improve your editing. Until the new video comes, so goodbye and peace my guys.